Hi, welcome. Simon here, and hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step on what to do when you have this error message on your Lenovo computer. So it says here, default boot device missing or boot failed. Insert recovery media and hit any key, then select boot manager to choose a new boot device or to boot recovery media. So this is pretty much a general notice that you would get if the hard drive is damaged or something happened to the hard drive. So in my case, I know that the laptop hard drive has gone bad. Trying to recover the data. I'll talk a little bit more about that at the end of the video, but this video here is strictly just letting you know if you get this error message, meaning that the hard drive is bad, and if you want to repair the laptop, you would need to change the hard drive, and I'll walk you through step by step on how to change that. So first, power off the computer, press and hold the power button until the screen goes off. Alright, so the next step is to go ahead and disconnect the battery. We need to remove the back cover here. Get yourself a T5 screwdriver. So this is the Torque 5. T5 means Torque 5. Let's go ahead and remove the screws here at the back of the laptop. So far I have removed 6 of the screws. They all look the same to me. Hopefully the one in the bottom is the same size. Alright, so all the screws are the same size, which is, I think, except these 2 maybe. It looks like they're all the same sizes. Alright, once you have removed all the screws using a T5 screwdriver, the next step is to go ahead and pry it open. I'll be using a metal prying tool here, and I like to work at the corner, at the side of the corner, to kind of stick underneath. Try not to stick all the way in because you do not want to damage the internal part of the laptop. Just enough for you to get a good grip on the plastic and just pry it open. Alright, there you go. And the whole plastic would just come right off. At this point here, you can see that. Sorry, I just found out that my microphone was not next to me. I just got to readjust the microphone. So what I was saying is, once you remove the back cover, this is the internal part of your computer. As you can see, the battery is here. The RAM is hidden underneath the aluminum cover. This is the hard drive, and also this is your secondary drive. Alright, so let's go ahead and disconnect the battery. This is the battery right here. What you can do is slide it to your left to remove it. So I'm just going to pull to the left direction to disconnect the battery. Once the battery is disconnected, the next step is to go ahead and remove the hard drive. I'm using a Phillips screwdriver here. There's a little seal that covers up the screw underneath. Just a Phillips screwdriver that should be able to remove that. Once you have removed the screw, slide the hard drive at 45-degree angle to your right, and that's how you remove it. Now this is the SSD drive, NVMe, and I believe it has gone bad. The capacity of this drive is 512 gigabytes, as you can see here. So I'll be replacing exactly the same one. Now let's talk about if you want to recover the data, try it, see if it works. Then I recommend you to buy one of this. This is what we call the USB NVME SSD adapter. What I'll do is I'll link them down in the description below. I got this through Amazon, and very simple. You just have to slide that hard drive at 45-degree angle, slide it into your left, make sure you push it all the way in, and you can see that the hard drive is still tilted at a certain angle. this has to be closed, flat, and you need to put a screw to lock it down. All right, so once you have this installed, the next step is to go to a working computer, your secondary computer, and you plug it into the USB port. They were just going to read it like a thumb drive. If you ever used a thumb drive before, then this is exactly how it works. Plug it into a working computer, it will show up on the screen, and then all you have to do is just access the data like a thumb drive. Okay, now so that is the process on how to recover the data, and I just explained that, and I'll show it to you already. So the next step is to replace the hard drive. So imagine this is the new hard drive that just came in. All you have to do is slide it in, close it down, install the screw back, and now you can reconnect the battery by sliding it to your right. So adjust the connector right in the center position and slide it to your right. Okay, once you have done with that process, the next step is to go ahead and cover up the computer. All right, so press it down and have all the screw to go back in. Now once you are done that process, you're not off the hood, because the hard drive is brand new. It doesn't have Windows operating system in it. You would definitely need to reinstall the Windows. What you can do is to get yourself one of these USB installer. You can get it from either Amazon or eBay. A used one is fine as long as the license key is being registered, not being registered, and you can just re-register that license back to your computer. Now, if you do not want to buy one of these, there is a way to go ahead and download directly from Amazon. You can go to Amazon. Let me rephrase again. If you do not buy one of this, okay, I think this is cost like $99 or something like $100 or so. If you do not want to buy the Windows installer USB, what you can do is you can go to Microsoft website, and in that website you want to look for Windows 10 or Windows 11. You want to download the installer file. Once you have downloaded that, you want to get a USB and then make a copy into the USB as an installer Windows. Now all that process I just explained, you would definitely need a working computer to do that. You can't do it on this one because the hard drive is brand new. It will not boot to the OS. Alright, so that is pretty much it. I hope this video is helpful to you, and if you find this video is helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. I really appreciate you for doing that, and of course, good luck to your repair. Thanks for watching. Until next time.